Hello friends, this is Dr. Ravindra Munje. I am associated with Kekewag Institute of Engineering Education and Research in Nasik. In this very short video, I will demonstrate how to find out the publications in the Web of Science and in Scopus, and at the same time how to identify or how to note down the citations for particular author in Scopus and Web of Science. This guideline is prepared assuming that you have your Google Scholar account, because that will be required for linking to the Web of Science portal. So first we will go for identifying publications included in the Scopus and citations in the Scopus. So we will type scopus.com, where this will open. Here you can see author search. By clicking here you can search particular author. So suppose I am writing my name as last name as Munje and first name as Ravindra. So if I click on search, I can see that this is my name Munje Ravindra and my affiliation as Kekewag Institute of Engineering Education and Research. If I click here, I can get the number of publications by me, that is 37 publications in the Scopus, and number of citations is 156, right? So 156 is citation and 37 is number of publications in the Scopus, included in the Scopus. Here you can see year wise citations also. So in 2015 there are 6 documents and citations are 21. So this indicates document, this indicates citation. So this way you can see here you can again see paper wise citations. Now this is very newly published paper in 2020, so it will not have citations, but since I have not logged in, I cannot edit this, I cannot change this option is not available because I have not logged in. So you can see Scopus citation and number of publications in the Scopus for any person, for any author, by just clicking on the search. Suppose if I go for another search, we have a professor in our department, Kushare Bansidhar. So if I click here, Bansidhar. So if I click here, I can see his papers and his citations. So here again you can see his name and affiliation. I will click here, and correspondingly you can see documents or the papers in the Scopus 37 and citation as 144. So you can see it for everyone, every author you can see by searching here. So this way you can connect, this way you can find out citations in the Scopus. Now let us move for finding out the citations in the Web of Science. Generally there are no guidelines available to search citations in the Web of Science, but I will tell you, you need to click here Publons, right? Can you see here publons.com? So if you click here, uh, let me go to the first page rather than opening any other author's summary. Okay, just one moment, it was open for one author. So I'll be going to the first page. Okay, now you can see here publons.com account login, right? You can see this one. Now here you click on login, but login is not available. But as I earlier said that if you are having your Google Scholar account, then you can directly open here. So suppose this one is Google Scholar account. or if you have LinkedIn account, or if you have WeChat account, Facebook account, right? You can click here. So I will click here, Google account, and Google account, by opening, I can see here it's me. I'll click here. It's already logged in. So you can see here, just one moment, it will open, right? So here you can see that page is open. You can click here on continue. It will go to the next page. Again you can click on continue. Now get started. So here you can see Ravindra Munje, right? It has opened. Now there are no citation, no publications here, because it is newly open. So you can click here, track my citations. After clicking there, again you because already I had opened this account, so there are 46 matching. But if there are no matchings with your name available here, so you can click here import publications, or you can click here 46 matching. So if I click here 46 matching, I can see here it will open, right? These are the publications. All these are publications. So if I click on select all, right, it will also select publications on the second page, then import selected publications. So these are the author names that I have used for different papers, with my full surname, then initials, then first name, like this. So yes, these are mine. You click here, and it will open here. Okay, so now it's opening. It will take some time. Here it will update 46 publications with 2 citations from the Web of Science course selection, but it's now opening. It will take some time. It's loading, right? Okay, still loading. Okay, it will take some time. If there are large number of publications, it will take some time. So no more results. So already all the publications have been loaded here. So you can see here 46 publications with 2 citations. It will update actually. It will update. Okay. Okay, just one moment. Let me try after refreshing. Yeah, see here, showing 46 publications with 108 citations from the Web of Science, right? So here you can see, if I click here, view my profile, this is my researcher ID for Web of Science, and you can see this is the publication and these are the citations. So similarly for every paper it will indicate. So this is Web of Science researcher ID. So it's very easy to find out total number of publications in Web of Science and total number of citations. 108, H index is 6. So this way you can find out your own publications in the Web of Science and total number of citations. I hope this video is useful to you. Please like it and share it. Thank you very much.